Hello everyone, it's Dale here with a new weekly trading analysis. What you see before you is the NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. The chart before you is a 30-minute time frame of the Australian dollar, US dollar, and I would like to talk about this support which formed on Thursday, and it is at 0.6595. And it is based on a combination of two trading setups. First one is a volume profile setup, which is called the trend setup. Let me show you. So if you move the profile like this to see how the volumes are distributed within the uptrend, you can move it also like this, so you see the whole trend. It doesn't really matter. You're looking for significant heavy volume zones. Now, the closest heavy volume zone was in here, I mean the latest one, but it has already been tested with this test during macro news, and there's no point in trading those intraday trades when there's macro news, right? So I wasn't trading that, but the one which I want to show you is based on just a small volume cluster in here. If it was just this volume cluster, I wouldn't really pay too much attention to it. But it is the combo of two trading setups that I like here. If I scroll back a bit, then you can see that the price reacted to this level very sharply in the past in here. So it was a resistance, and the resistance turned into a support when the price blew past that resistance. Right, so support. And at the same place, we have that heavy volume zone, this one. Alright, so for this reason, I think that this is a strong level to trade from because it is a confluence of two trading setups, and when the price reaches this level, it's likely that there'll be a reaction. Now what I'll do when the price reaches this zone, I'll open the order flow software, wait for confirmation that the big trading institutions or some big traders are jumping in, entering their long positions, and then I'll enter the trade with them, right? So that's how I'll go about this one. If you don't have order flow, you can just take the trade with no confirmation, as even without order flow, there's a big chance that this one will be a successful trade, but the order flow can help you improve your trade entry and also the trade exits. Now, on to the next trading idea. The next one is on the US dollar Japanese yen, and this is a level which is also based on a trend setup, but in this case it is based on very heavy volumes. So this is the trend, and the heavy volume zone is this one. This is the beginning of that heavy volume zone, and from this heavy volume zone, from the rotation where the heavy volumes were traded, there was this sharp sell-off, and I really like that when I see that the sharp sell-off starting from heavy volume zone. This is telling us that there was a downtrend, and within the downtrend, sellers were adding to their short positions. Those heavy volumes in this area. Then they continued with the sell-off, but this is still important place for the sellers because they were adding to their short positions massively there. So when there's a pullback to this level, which is at 147.80, it's likely that there'll be a reaction as the sellers will want to defend this place. Alright, so now we just need to wait for that pullback and take it from there. And ideally use order flow to confirm the trade entry. But again, you don't need to. If you don't have order flow, you can just enter it when the price touches this level. Now let us move forward into the next trading idea, and it's on the Australian dollar Japanese yen. So this is a 30-minute chart of the Australian dollar Japanese yen, and in here I also have the trend setup. This is a downtrend, and within the trend there was a significant volume cluster here, this one. Those heavy volumes were traded in here. It's not place with heaviest volumes within the downtrend because it would be this place, but what I like about this one is that the price was reacting to this zone in the past. In here, and also a little bit higher, but still very close to that level. So in the past, this zone worked as a support because the price was reacting to that zone in the past. And now when the price blew past the support, it turned into a new resistance. Right? So that's why it's likely that if the price makes it back to this level, it's likely that there'll be a reaction, right? So we have combo of volume profile setup and the price action setup. That's why I like it, and I like it even more than trading this heavy volume zone because of the combo. Now let me show you one more thing on the British pound US dollar. I was considering a long level from here. It is around 1.2808 because there's a trend setup and a heavy volume zone within the trend right here. Now the reason I decided not to take it is there's a very weak low here. All those candles turned at the same level. This is weak low, right? This is failed auction. The price likes to test that. So if the price comes near this zone, there is a chance that it will go past this heavy volume zone, not react to it in any way, and just shoot past the heavy volume zone to test this, the failed auction. There'll probably be a lot of liquidity below those lows, below lows of those candles, and the market likes that. Market likes to take liquidity, right? So that's why it's risky to take longs from here, and it's best to skip such trades. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, then I recommend visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com. And if you click this button, then it will take you to this page where you can browse my courses and indicators. The volume profile pack is a volume profile course that will teach you everything about volume profile trading and provide you with my custom-made volume profile indicators. Below that, there's the order flow pack, which focuses on order flow trading. So it will provide you with order flow video course and also my custom-made order flow software. If you are interested in getting both, then there's a combo pack where you can get both those packs together for a discounted price. Alright, so that's about that. Now, before I wrap the video up, I would like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest were my custom-made indicators for TradingView platform. That's volume profile and VWAP indicators. And right now on your screen, you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner. And what I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate is leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win those indicators. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!